Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the all-new 2025 Plymouth Belvedere V8. This iconic nameplate makes a return with a modern twist, combining classic design elements with contemporary features. Let's take a deep dive into the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see if this car lives up to the legendary Belvedere name. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Plymouth Belvedere V8 brings a bold, muscular presence to the road. The front end features a large, aggressive grille, reminiscent of the classic Plymouth styling, but with a more refined and modern look. The sharp headlights with integrated LED strips enhance the Belvedere's commanding stance, offering a distinct mix of vintage charm and cutting-edge technology. The body has sleek, aerodynamic lines that flow from front to back, with wide fenders that showcase its muscular profile. It's clear that Plymouth is embracing the power and strength of its history while keeping things fresh with a futuristic design. The paint options range from deep metallic hues to classic bold colors, giving buyers plenty of personalization choices. The 20-inch alloy wheels, paired with performance tires, enhance its athletic stance, rounding out the exterior as a head-turner on the road. Moving on to the interior, Plymouth has definitely upgraded comfort and tech while maintaining a sense of vintage character. As you step inside, the first thing you notice is the high-quality materials used throughout the cabin. The dashboard is a blend of retro aesthetics and modern functionality, with a large digital display seamlessly integrated into the center console. The retro straight-fall round dials are still present, but now they are digital with a customizable layout, offering you all the modern information you need with a nostalgic touch. The leather-trimmed seats both in the front and back are incredibly supportive and comfortable, making long drives a breeze. Plymouth has also included advanced tech features, including a fully integrated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive touchscreen interface. The interior is spacious with ample legroom and headroom, even in the back seats, making this a family-friendly option without sacrificing the performance-oriented spirit of the Belvedere. Under the hood, the 2025 Plymouth Belvedere V8 packs a serious punch. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, it produces an impressive 450 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque, offering more than enough performance for daily driving and spirited weekend cruises. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth shifts, and if you prefer a more hands-on experience, you can opt for the manual transmission, which is perfect for enthusiasts who want full control over their driving experience. The V8 engine roars to life with a deep, throaty growl, making it clear this is a performance machine through and through. When it comes to acceleration, the Belvedere V8 can go from 0 to 60 mph in just around 4.5 seconds, which is impressive for a car of its size and weight. Handling is equally remarkable, with a sport-tuned suspension that keeps the car planted on the road even during tight cornering. The rear-wheel drive layout adds to its driving dynamics, offering a more connected and responsive feel behind the wheel. Plymouth's engineers have truly struck a balance between performance and comfort, making the Belvedere a joy to drive whether you're on the highway or tackling twisty back roads. Now let's talk about the pricing. The 2025 Plymouth Belvedere V8 starts at around $42,000, which is quite reasonable considering the level of performance, luxury, and features it offers. There are also higher trim levels and packages available that can push the price up to around $50,000 for those looking for additional features or more aggressive performance upgrades. With its competitive pricing, it stands as a solid alternative to other muscle cars on the market, offering a blend of classic appeal and modern technology at a price point that doesn't break the bank. In conclusion, the 2025 Plymouth Belvedere V8 is an exceptional blend of old-school muscle and modern sophistication. Whether it's the bold exterior design, the upgraded interior that's both comfortable and tech-savvy, or the performance that delivers thrills with every press of the pedal, this car has something for everyone. With its aggressive pricing and impressive features, the Belvedere V8 is a true contender in the muscle car market. So, what do you think? Is this the muscle car you've been waiting for, or does another model catch your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.